Good morning, friends. Today is Wednesday. Today is technically our last day of school. I know it's so hard. It's so hard. I know that you're probably not super sad about it. You're probably very excited. But you know what, friends? I do have to tell you that you guys have done such an incredible job. I don't blame you for being just excited about being done because you've worked really hard and your parents have worked very hard with you as well. So, round of applause for your parents, for you, for just all of us. We've finished. We did it. And at the beginning when we all kind of thought like, what do we have to do? What's happening? What do you mean this is the new school? We were kind of freaking out a little bit. I'm going to include myself in there because I had no idea how to even, I'd never recorded myself, first of all. And second of all, I'd never even been like on YouTube myself. But we did it, friends. This is it. This is the last one. And although it is kind of sad, at the same time, it's kind of exciting because we get to look back and see how far we've come. And we did it, friends. And that's the best feeling in the world, to finish, to accomplish, and to do like set a goal and then finish that goal and meet it, right? It feels so good. I want you to get out page 317, 318 of your phonics papers. I'm going to share the screen so you could see it. It's actually a coloring page on the front. It looks like kind of like the one we did for the Grand Canyon recently, but this is Arches National Park. And you're going to need a black crayon, yellow, orange, green, brown, and blue. You're going to look out for the special sounds ear in ear, air in bear, in earth, e in leaf, in thread, and a in stake. All right, and you're going to look at the color there. So I'll do a couple with you, and then you're going to be able to do this on your own. I know you can. So let's look for ear in ear. Well, this word up here is breaker. That's a in stake. Trying to look for ear in ear. Greatly no, bear, pair, learn, ear. Years, years, here's one. So years has ear in ear. So you will color this one. Learn is in earth, and that's orange. Pear is air in bear, and that's yellow. Bear is air in bear. Feather, is in thread. That's brown. And that's actually this whole thing. And I know for sure that your coloring job is going to be way nicer than mine because mine's all in a hurry and it's actually not even coloring. Breaker, A in stake is blue. Oh, that's a given because usually the sky is blue, right? We should have known that. In thread is brown. Break, A in stake, again, blue. In earth is orange for pearl. Earthquake. Spur, in thread. Ready? Dead. thread, bread, head, steady, deaf, heavy. Basically all those rocks. In earth is orange, so search. On this. E in leaf. So let's see, there's a lot. So team, beak, peanut, beach, piece, deal. All those are going to be green. All those down there. All the bushes are all E in leaf. And they're green. And I think we did, oh no, greatly. A in steak is blue. And there you have it. All right, let's go ahead and quickly turn it to the back. Oh, what did I do? Quickly turn it to the back. Here we go. We're going to add in bigger, est in biggest. Remember, when you add in bigger to an adjective or an adverb, it's when you compare two things. And then est in biggest is when you're comparing like three or more things, okay? We're going to read the sentences and then we're going to add the in bigger, est in biggest to the root words. They give us the root words in the parentheses, and then we're going to write the word on the line. Okay, so short is the word. Yesterday's hike was short than today's hike. Shorter or shortest? Shorter, very good. Because we're comparing today's hike with yesterday's hike. That's two things. Ashley's hiking boots are the smaller or the smallest in her family. Well, smaller would be if we're comparing her boots to her sister's, to just one other person, but really we're comparing her boots to the entire family. So that's like 3 or more people, at least 3 or more. So smallest. Very good. Very good. Let me see. Next, it is hot now than it was this morning. It is hotter now than it was this morning, or hottest now. Hotter, very good. Hotter. Emily scrambled up the trail fast than Jacob. Faster than Jacob or fastest than Jacob? Well, is Jacob just one person or 3 or more? Yes, so faster than Jacob because we're just comparing Emily and Jacob. That's it. Mom said that the sunset last night was the prettiest or the prettier one she has ever seen. Prettiest, so we're comparing this to all the sunsets the mom has ever seen in her whole life. That's a lot of sunsets, right? Circle the correct word in each sentence. Did you know, like no, no, thank you. Or did you know, like when you know information, that cactus plants have beautiful flower or flowers? No and flowers. They do. Have you guys ever seen cactus flowers? They're beautiful. Carol's puppy has big paws, or like pause the movie because I got to go potty. Paws, like puppy paws. Good. Sean's feet are warm in his new boots. Feet. There you go with double E. Ruby's new dress is bright blue or blue? Blue like blue the bubbles, or blue like the color that I'm using right now. Blue, very good. Gabe ate like the number, or ate two or too much ice cream. Well, he ate, first of all, ATE. Too much ice cream, is that like the number 2? 2, or like also like too much, like an exaggeration? Yes, too much ice cream. And this last, oh, it's a little bit cut off. Whoops. But you're going to underline the subject once, the verb twice, and then we're going to draw the lines to divide it, just like we've always done. And then you're going to get to diagram the sentences with the information, just the subject and predicate, which is the who or what and the verb, okay? Mia planted 3 pepper plants. First of all, I know Mia. She planted, she's the who or what, and she planted. So over here, you're going to write Mia planted. Very good. 2 red apples fell off the tree. What fell off of the tree? The apples did. Underline it 1. And what did they do? They fell. Apples fell. Nice. I found a penny on the sidewalk. Who are we talking about? I. And what did I do? Found. I found. Good. The small kitten mewed. What was it? The kitten. And what did it do? It meowed. Kitten meowed. Awesome, you guys. These have been some really quick papers, but to me, that only tells me how much you guys have grown, how much you guys have learned throughout the year, and it makes me feel super duper proud, and it makes my heart so happy. All right, friends, I continue to be so, so proud of you. And what else? Well, it's the last video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you tomorrow. Hopefully, everyone's able to make it to drive by. Don't forget to bring back all the reading books that you're done. We're done. So we need all those reading books back. So even if you're not done reading it, that's okay. You just send it back. All right. And then you'll pick up wherever you left off next year in second grade and you'll start fresh. Okay. So, but we do need all those books back. So go ahead and on Thursday, which is tomorrow, prepare yourself to come and to see me one last time, like in person. You guys are going to get to drive by again, like our little parade. I'll be so excited. And I will have those prizes for you for your Bible review game that you guys had. So whatever you spin the wheel, maybe we'll spin the wheel there live and you get to do your prize picking there. All right, friends, I love you so much and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.